Okay, from R4, let's do show. It's part 2 of OSPF single area configuration. This continuation of part 1 of the video. Let's show show IP routes. We can see we have routes all over to all the destinations which we want. We can see we have a route to 1.1.1 network, which is here. We have the 2, that's the loopback interface of router 2, router 3, 4, and the network of 172.16. And then we can see what network of 192.168 all over we can. So let's see whether we can do it. We can go there. We have the route. Let's say ping. That's we see on router 4. This router 4. So we're trying to get to router 2. So let's do it. Look back interface of 2. So 2.2.2 2. Success. Yes, 3. Ping 3.3.3.3. Success. Let's do ping 1.1.1.1. Success. So everything seems to be working well. Our configuration is good. Everything good. Now we can see which router. Let's see which router is the DR or designated router. Let's see. Let's go to R2 show IP OSPF neighbor. We can see R1 is the BDR. That's the backup designated router. So meaning R2 is the DR. Let's go to R1 and see whether it's true. So on R1 show IP OSPF neighbor. Yep. From here we can see 2.2.2, that's the loopback interface of R2, is indeed the DR, full DR. We can see here full dash, there's a dash here, that's on, if you can see the serial interface of 1/0.2, not participating. Why? If you can see from this topology, we have point-to-point connection between R2 and R3, and a point-to-point connection between R1 and R4. So to say those do not participate in the DR, in the DR selection. So here we can do something like, let's see, make R1 the DR instead of R2 the DR. So why is R2 the DR from here? It's only two routers that are participating in DR selection. We have R1 and R2. Why is R2 the DR? If you look at this, R2 interface 2.2.2 is higher than R1 interface look back interface of 1.1.1. In the DR selection, R2, because of higher look back interface, it will automatically become the DR, but we can try to stop it from being the DR while making R1 the DR. Let's do that. Let's say go on to R2. Say go to the interface F1/0 and say OSPF OSPF priority zero. Sorry, it's IP OSPF priority 0. Let's shut the interface down and then bring it back up. Shut. Yep. So let's go back on R1 and issue the same command, show OSPF neighbor, IP OSPF neighbor. You can see from here we have a full, that's 2.2.2 is full DR order, meaning R2 is not participating in the DR selection.